Welcome to our channel, where we bring you valuable insights and actionable tips to help you succeed in the digital world. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps required to make money online by selling your very own digital products. If you're ready to monetize your skills and creativity, then keep watching. Step 1. Identify your digital product niche. Choosing a marketable digital product. First and foremost, you need to identify a digital product niche that aligns with your expertise and has a market demand. Consider what skills or knowledge you possess that others may find valuable. Are you a skilled graphic designer? A talented writer? A proficient photographer? Select a digital product niche that matches your unique talents and has a potential buyer base. Researching your target audience. Once you've chosen your product niche, it's crucial to research your target audience. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. This research will help you tailor your digital products to meet their demands effectively. Step 2. Create high-quality digital products. Crafting compelling and valuable products. Now that you know your niche and target audience, it's time to create high-quality digital products that effectively cater to their needs. Whether it's an e-book, online course, graphic templates, or music tracks, ensure that your digital creations are compelling, valuable, and resonate with your audience. Utilizing professional tools and software. In order to produce top-notch digital products, familiarize yourself with professional tools and software relevant to your niche. Invest time in mastering graphic design software, video editing programs, or other tools that can enhance the quality of your creations. Remember, an exceptional product will significantly increase your chances of making sales. Step 3. Choose the right platform for selling. Evaluating e-commerce platforms. Choosing the right platform to sell your digital products is crucial for your online business success. Evaluate various e-commerce platforms that support digital product sales, such as Shopify, Gumroad, or Etsy. Consider factors like ease of use, pricing, available features, and customer reach before making your decision. Optimizing product listings. Once you've selected a platform, optimize your product listings to attract potential buyers. Craft detailed and engaging product descriptions, utilize high-quality visuals, and consider offering free samples or previews to entice customers. Don't forget to add relevant keywords to increase your product visibility in search results. Step 4. Implement marketing and promotion strategies. Leveraging social media channels. To boost your digital product sales, it's essential to leverage social media channels. Create business accounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and share captivating content related to your digital products. Engage with your audience, respond to inquiries, and use visuals to showcase your products effectively. Collaborating with influencers. Consider collaborating with influencers who have a substantial online following within your niche. By partnering with influencers, you can tap into their audience and gain exposure for your digital products. Reach out to relevant influencers and propose collaborations or influencer marketing campaigns to broaden your reach. Step 5. Provide excellent customer support. Ensuring customer satisfaction. To establish a successful online business, it's crucial to provide excellent customer support. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address any issues or concerns they may have, and always strive to exceed their expectations. Happy customers will not only become repeat buyers but also act as brand advocates, referring others to your digital products. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and strategies to make money online by selling your digital products. Remember to choose the right niche, create high-quality products, select the best platform for sales, implement effective marketing strategies, and provide exceptional customer support. We hope you found this video helpful in starting your online journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time.